everyone to djembetradingpost.com sound samples. I've got a camel skin Bougarabou here, full size, 13.5 by 25. Ready? Welcome to djembetradingpost.com sound samples. Got a set of two camel skin Bougarabous, full sized, 13.5 by 25. A little guy like about 11 by 22, and they're available at djembetradingpost.com. Check them out. And here we go. Everybody likes the bass, and this has a lot of bass. Camel skin's very unique, and it can get tightened up real tight. Thanks for coming out, djembetradingpost.com sound samples.